Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to snapshot any video you want on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy. Just go to the application first and then choose any video, for example this one, and click here on this share icon as you see, and here you will find this snapshot, and here you can save it to album as you see. So also you can, for example, you can click on it and share to someone. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.